In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone on Smartsheet. Whether you're working in a collaborative environment or just need a quick and efficient way to get a colleague's attention, tagging them on Smartsheet is a useful tool. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. To start off, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. From the home page, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or head to your home page depending on the layout of your personal setup. This is where all your sheets and folders are organized, and it serves as the central hub for managing your projects. Once you're there, find and open the specific sheet where you need to tag someone. If you've got a lot of sheets, you might use the search function to locate it quickly. After you've opened the pertinent sheet, it's time to identify which cell you're going to work with. Click on this cell and you'll notice a menu or toolbar appear on your screen. Look for the conversations icon located in the right hand panel. This icon is typically represented by a speech bubble or a similar symbol. Clicking it will open up a comment section or activity feed associated with the selected cell or row. This is where you can engage in discussions, ask questions, share updates, or most importantly for today's task, tag someone. In the comment box that appears, start typing the @ symbol. Directly after this, begin typing either the name or the email address of the person you want to tag. As you type, Smartsheet will provide a drop-down list of potential matches based on your entries. Ensure the spelling is accurate to make sure the person you're tagging appears in the suggestions. When you see the correct name on the list, go ahead and select it. If they're part of your team or have access to the sheet, their name or email should pop up right away. Keep in mind that only users who are shared on the sheet or workspace will appear in this list. Once you've selected the recipient, type your message or whatever context you wish to provide. With your comment ready to go, click the Post Comment button. Doing so shares your message along with the tagged user's name. This not only logs the comment within Smartsheet's conversation thread, but also sends a notification to the person's email address. This step is crucial because it ensures the tagged individual receives a timely alert about your comment, drawing their attention back to your sheet for whatever follow-up or action they might need to perform. That's all there is to it. You've successfully tagged someone in Smartsheet and engaged them in your ongoing project or task. Once you've completed these steps a few times, it will become second nature and you'll find it a robust way to communicate directly with your team on specific items. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating on Smartsheet.